So this is the property that I'm going to show you today, but I'm just having a look. Look at all the space you've got here. Absolutely magic. I am going to start off at the poolside area first because it's so beautiful out here. You have an area here where you could have your outside dining, and of course in here all surrounding you is insect blinds, so you can eat out here quite comfortably. Look at this view. Now this is the pool, and if you can imagine yourself in this pool and you're just sitting there relaxing and you're looking straight ahead past those beautiful statues, you have views to die for. So just here, I'm going to pan around, you have a room. So I'm going to have a look over there and see what it's like inside. So just in here, guys, you have a kitchen. Now this is your outside kitchen. Just above you got spotlights. The kitchen itself has a gas hob. You have an oven there, which is electric. Plenty of top and base units. And you've got a small fridge over there. Drainer. It does have a gas boiler over there. So you've got every convenience that you need for your outside kitchen and luxury outside dining. Through this door here, which is, I believe, the shower room. So there we have a shower. So this is your shower room for your pool area. Really nicely done. You have your WC just there and your sink and pedestal. You've also got a mirror and an overhead light. Again with frosted glass windows, and just in here you have an area that you keep your storage, and you got your towels there for around the pool. Lovely views down the valley there. And if you just want to put your makeup on after you've had a swim in the pool, you've got a little table and chairs with a mirror. So let's go back out and have a look around this pool area. As you can see, the house is quite substantial, so I can't wait to show you inside. But I can hear the birds and almost hear the bees. Really beautiful and fabulous views all around. And of course you've got a pergola here for more outside dining. Really beautiful home. Now we just have a few steps up onto this beautiful terrace. And it is winter now, so the cushions are in, but generally they would be out. But you have a little bistro table and chairs just to sit and have your morning coffee and looking at those surrounding views as well. There is wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. Beautiful scenery all round. I'm just going to take you through the main doors now. So just inside, we're in the hallway here. I'll just shut the door behind me. You have those two beautiful doors that open up into the living space. In the hallway here you've got your radiator and very decorative hanging light. So I'm just going to take you around this beautiful home. And as we go through here, as you can see, the doors have a nice frosted glass on them. Inside here, it's quite a large living space. You have radiators under the windows. So you have got dual aspect windows here, and you've got views, whichever window you look out. Absolutely spectacular. So I'm going to come up here and pan around slowly for you guys, so you get a feel for this room. It's really lovely. This house is pristine and very well maintained. Now I do have a surprise for you at the bottom of those beautiful granite steps down there. But we'll have a look later on. So for now, I'm going to take you through this door into a beautiful kitchen. So immediately as I come into this beautiful large kitchen, you have this double doors, and they're great for storage for all your bits and bobs. So just pull that across really quick, just to give you a quick view. And as I pan around, you can see there is a little breakfast bar with the granite work surface. And in this kitchen, you have very elegant cupboards. You have top and base units, and all along the work surface is all from a beautiful black granite. You have your integrated microwave and oven. You've got a sink with a drainer and water filter tap. You've got your integrated electric hob, plenty of drawers and cupboard space, and you have this lovely breakfast bar just here as well. You have radiators again also in this kitchen. You have that lovely detail on the tiles, which I'll show you now. Really beautiful, all the fresh fruits. So as we pan around, you have this dining area, which is illuminated by these beautiful windows. And you can see the reflection of the water from the pool on the ceiling, which is dancing in the sunlight. Really beautiful. So I'm just going to pan around. As you can see, plenty and plenty of units, top and base. Fantastic kitchen. You've even got some spotlights just here above. Okay, so let me take you through and we'll go into the dining area. Just over here, this is the dining area. This is actually a 5th bedroom, but they're using it and utilising it as a dining room. You have got your ceiling light and fan. You've your radiators under the window. It's quite a large room, as you can see. It'll take this large furniture. And just there you have double wardrobes with overhead storage. Now, as I said, this is the 5th bedroom, but they are utilising it as a dining area. Okay? So let's go on and explore the rest of this beautiful home. So up through the corridor we'll go. Just into this room here leads to another beautiful bathroom. You have your frosted glass window with your insect screens and a blackout blind. You've got your radiator there just under the window. You've got your sink set in marble on this vanity unit. And you've got your bidet and your WC. Just by the WC you have an air freshener, but that is a shaving socket there. And you have your lights for just over here. Really nice. And you have your shower. It has a nice detail along the tiles there, just to break up the tiles, to show you that nice detail. And let's go and check out the rest of the house. Now, following up through the corridor here, you have got a radiator just here, and this leads in to another good sized double bedroom. It has 2 single beds, but it will take a double bed quite comfortably. You have records and blackout blinds on the windows and insect screens. You also have your ceiling light and fan there as well. But just come up, you can see the views from the window, beautiful blue skies. Pan around for you guys slowly, and you can see there is large double wardrobes there. You've also got your desk just there. Okay, so let's carry on through. And we go through this door here. Now this leads into a nice double bedroom. You have overhead storage in the wardrobe surrounding the bed here. You've got a modern ceiling light and fan, blackout blinds and insect screens and records on the windows again. So I'm just taking this room at a different angle, and as you can see, just coming around, and through that door is an ensuite. So let's have a look in there. So just as we go in, you have spotlights above, you have your frosted glass window there, you have your WC and a shower. Beautiful modern tiles throughout these bathrooms that we've seen today. And you have your sink set in marble on this lovely vanity unit with a nice mirror and spotlights. Really very, very nice. And as you can see, this home is very elegant. So I'm going to take you down now, and we're going to have a look down that stairs that I promised to have a look at with you earlier. So I'll see you at the bottom of the staircase. Beautiful, but you have those windows that go out onto the terrace over there. It's quite a large living space here. And if I pan around, those doors over there, it's just storage. Okay. So I'm just going to give you a nice view of the room here. And I'll go over here because this is a bedroom and it's really lovely. So this is a good sized double bedroom with overhead storage and sliding doors on the wardrobe. And I'm just about to go into the second bedroom, which is down here. So this is quite a nice large bedroom down here also. And again, you have your overhead storage with your sliding doors, your wardrobes there. I'm just going to pan around. It's a really decent sized bedroom. So you've got 2 of them down here. So this is a nice area for guests. Okay. And I'll just quickly show you out through these double doors where this leads you. So this is the front of the property. Okay. So I'm going to take you back up the stairs again. Just want to let you know where we are in the property. Just going to leave you looking at the pool area. So if you are interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@tolettoselltobuy.com. Check out our website, tolettoselltobuy.com. and I see you guys in the next video.